Hello, Chris Tailby here from Mr. Decal Paper and now also Craft Life Academy. So using decal papers to make custom handmade products. There's so many opportunities here. Where do I start?
Alrighty, photos onto candles using the clear water transfer film. This can be used with the inkjet printer or a laser printer. We just print the photograph out, dunk it into water and start sliding. $5 candles to a $30 candle in 30 seconds flat. This will just slide away and we will discard the backing paper. The hardening process will begin, leaving the candle like a printed image, a professional printed image for us. Something that we know a lot about weddings. Weddings are a great opportunity. There's so much that you can do with regards to customized products. We have pre-weddings, during weddings, post-weddings, and of course anniversaries.
Okay, a gift for newlyweds. I do as I am told custom mugs. $2.40 in materials to $25 plus in 5 minutes. Using the clear inkjet water slide, this is a top selling product on Amazon and Etsy. In its basic form, it is just I do, and the other mug just says I do as I am told, but we can also add customization for no extra cost here on the film. Welcome to our hot tub sign printed out on the white water slide decal paper. We take one metal blank, dunk it into water, start sliding away. $4.52 in materials, $29 recommended retail price in 40 seconds flat. Now we're just going to take a little bit of cotton wool and start brushing away the water. The hardening process will begin, and then in the morning we can take a little bit of clear varnish spray to that. Now this was a product that we know is a hot seller on Amazon and Etsy. We sent the design over to 5R. It came back $5 later and we have our own unique product ready to rock and roll. So just using the clear water slide paper, we're sliding away onto a glass coaster. So literally 10 seconds here and we're going to create a stained glass effect on these plain glass coasters. So set of 4, you're looking at probably like $2.99, $3.99. We take the value up to $18.99 for a set of 4.